Hi, I'm James from Fujifilm and I'd like to tell you about the XF 70-300 f4-5.6 RLMWR OIS. The XF 70-300 is a lovely lens that sits between the 55-200 and the 100-400 in our range. The 70-300 is compatible with both of our teleconverters, the 1.4 and the 2x. With the 2x teleconverter on, the lens goes to approximately 900mm as an effective focal length. It has 5.5 stops of optical image stabilization, or OIS, which is especially useful when using the 2x teleconverter. When the 70-300 is put on a body that has in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, the body and the lens will work together to give the best results possible. As you'd expect for a lens that's designed to be used outside, the 70-300 is weather resistant and will operate down to -10 degrees C. It also has excellent close focusing capabilities, which are improved even more when using the teleconverters. Being substantially smaller and more lightweight than the 100-400, the 70-300 is an excellent lens for those wanting a little bit more reach than the 55-200, but wanting to keep the weight down as much as possible. As the 70-300 has a linear motor, which is LM on the lens will focus extremely quickly for any subjects that are moving fast and will also work really well with face detection. The 70-300 is a really small lens that could be partnered really well with the 16-80 f4. That will give you a nice travel kit, which will give you a coverage from 24mm up to 450mm. With the 16-80, the 70-300 becomes a kit that's perfect for travelling.